it is gorgeous out here today. It was about 39 degrees earlier this afternoon. So if you see that thing snaking out there, that's just literally taking the water from the roof. So the drain, the gutter, takes the water out to the mountain area. The mountain. We're in the mountains. Lenny Wennerstrom with you, reading Dr. Shad Helmstedter's book with you. The passages in it, 365 Days of Positive Self-Talk for Finding Your Purpose. And we are all about you finding your purpose. I am all about you finding your purpose. It's so importante that we're not in the boat that I've described off and on, in a rudderless boat that is you're just out floating and going wherever the waves take you, and say another boat passes you by and it knocks you with its wake and you're just like, and you're going all over. That is not a fun place to be in life, because you're just going whatever direction, and you have absolutely no control. And I really want you to have a rudder on your boat. I want you to understand that you have like a super powerful rudder on your boat that comes from within. It is your purpose. Gives you direction, and gives you meaning in your life. Your purpose gives you your why you are doing things. It's pretty potent, powerful, empowering, and amazing. So today, April 18th, day 109, 257 days left in 2024. We are 29.78% done with the year. We're almost 30% done. So yesterday we talked about that you were born to be successful, and you were just programmed. And we talked about, you can go into the description and get the 30 days free of the self-talk, positive self-talk program, which is a language that Dr. Shad came up with. It's his app, and it's highly beneficial in a very quick amount of time. And when I say quick, it has taken you, I don't know, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 years to get where you're at, 90, and your programs of what you've been programmed with, and not being aware that 77% of your programs are they're negative programs. And so they're contradicting, they self-sabotage, they're harmful, and they don't help you get where you want to go. So you get to change those programs. And a very interesting part of neuroplasticity and the brain rewiring itself, because that's what we're talking about, these mental programs. The brain is constantly rewiring itself, and until your last breath on this planet. Your last breath is when the brain is just your hardware. The programs are your software. So your input is going to be your output. And I want to remind you that it is the invisible that creates the visible, everything. And so when you take all of that together, you find the power that you are, because you are pure light, power, and you are the rudder of your own boat. You get to decide what your life looks like. So I find that highly exciting. And even in lower frequency vibrational moments in my life, because we all have them on planet Earth, I find that I can move through those so much more quickly, because I know that this is just an experience. This is the human experience. And so I know that I have all the tools I need, and I got myself an amazing rudder. It is so high performance, and I just go like this, and then I go to where I want to go. That's what I want for you. I want you to find your purpose. I want you to understand who and what you really are. I want you to understand that on planet Earth, you are a culmination of your mental programs. That's who you are now. You get to change all of those, any of those that do not serve you, that sabotage, that hold you back. I want you to go, boing, I want you to jump forward. And the way to do that is through the self-talk, using that self-talk language, which is in the app. And you get 30 days free. and 21 days to change a habit. And so where can you be 30 days from today if you download that app and get it free? And after that, you can add 5 more people on your account for free. So you can have your whole family. It could be so beautiful, your home, and just in this positive self-talk where you can do instead of what you can't do, or the no, or limitations. You get to see and feel and know that you are absolutely unlimited. Absolutely unlimited. Okay, should I get to the passage? I just have these discussions with a beautiful friend of mine, and these are thoughts that go through my head every day. I understand the power, and so they're just so forefront in my mind, the power that each of us holds within us. Oh, I can't not let you see Feather. There's Feather. Come on, Feather Pet. Cassius, you that flying feather? Yes, you is. That's Flying Feather. Look at how pretty the mountains are. Before I get to the passage, I'll just read that. I wish I could hone in on that for you. Okay, so here is the passage, which will totally go with everything that we're talking about today. Right now is a great time to make the choice, gather my energy, fine-tune my focus, get a clear picture of what I want to accomplish, decide to do it, smile, say yes to myself, take a deep breath, and go for it. Is that not amazing, empowering, exciting, full of adventure? I'll read it again and know that this is you. This is 365 days of positive self-talk for finding your purpose. So this phrase, say it first thing in the morning, first thing at night, say it a million times, write it down on a card. Any of these phrases that speak to you, take them, write them down, and say them over and over and over again, because it's repetition. That is the key. That is the secret sauce. That is the secret to rewiring your brain with the programs that you want, so that your output, your input puts out your output. So whatever you're putting into your brain is going to come out. Self-confidence, self-esteem, can-do attitude, solutions, looking for solutions, finding opportunities in challenging and trying times on planet Earth, knowing that you are enough, worthiness, all of those things, knowing that you can create the financial world that you want to live in, the financial abundance, knowing that you can have the health that you want because you get to create that. All of that is up to you. It is up to you. You're not a victim of anyone else, of situations, circumstances, anything. You are the queen, the king, all of it. You are the light. I'm just giving us a worldly, giving you a worldly of something that's high, but this is so much higher than something from planet Earth. This is that light that is so deep, so bright, so exciting, so expansive. And you are all of that. You are all of that. So I'll read this again, and hopefully this gets you excited. Why did I change pages? Oh, the little breeze changed the page for me. I'm a victim of the breeze. Okay, let me blame the breeze so I can be the victim, right? Someday we'll talk about the drama triangle. I've spoken about it a few times, but we'll go into depth about it. In fact, I'll probably do a workshop and invite you to that, so you can really understand the drama triangle, because it's incredibly liberating. Okay, let's read it again. April 18th. Right now is a great time to make the choice, gather my energy, fine-tune my focus, get a clear picture of what I want to accomplish, decide to do it, smile, say yes to myself, take a deep breath, and go for it. And this is how you do it. This is how you do it, baby. That's how you do it. This is how you take control of your life. This is how you make your life work for you. This is how you create your own reality. And I'm going to tell you something that is so might sound so out there, or it might sound so deep, or it might sound so exciting. But creating goals, what are you doing when you're creating a goal? You literally are saying, this is what I want, this is how I'm going for it. These are the things that could possibly stop me. And then you're creating action steps to overcome those obstacles that you might see in your way. And then you're working that plan and you're achieving it. But what is it when you first decide on a goal? It's in here. It's the invisible. You can't touch it. You can't, it's the invisible, right? And you set a goal and you bring that into the visible world. And that is a very important part of this, because this is how powerful you are. It's a very spiritual practice to set goals and to achieve them. When you are doing it in the highest and best, for everything highest and best for all concerned, including yourself, because you deserve all that's highest and best. And that's it. There is no soapbox to stand on. It's just the firm earth. And I love you so very, very much. You can do this. You can find your purpose. You can create and change anything that you would like to. Absolutely anything besides the things you came into, your container that you chose. You can't grow to 10 feet if you're 5'7". You know, you can't, you can't change your eye color unless you go get some contacts that are a different color and put brown ones on your blue peepers or whatever it is. You can't change the fundamentals of the container that you chose to come here with. That's the only, call it limitations. It's what you chose, so it's a choice. It's not really, it's not limitations. The rest, what you do with your beautimous, fantabulous, exciting, adventurous life here on planet Earth during this lifetime, that is up to you, and that is limitless. You can do absolutely anything, change anything, become anything, change your beliefs, change everything, your career, your job, your financial situation, your relationships, your everything. So I can go on and on with all the other things, but you get the picture, you get the gist, and that's the story. I hope Feather doesn't go poop right there for you. Sometimes they do that. Not that you probably haven't seen a puppy go piddle or poop before. So that's the story. I love you so very, very much. You can do this. I believe in you. And as always, shining my light to brighten yours. You're beautiful. See you tomorrow. Ciao.